Grace o sino mas matangkad sa amin?
Sinong mas matangkad? Who is taller? Yun lang pala, napakasimple. Please stand back to back and we shall find out.
So, Luis, who is taller?
Mary Grace is taller than Rap-Rap. Si Mary Grace ay mas matangkad kaysa kay Rap-Rap.
Sabi ko na sa'yo eh. Di ba, Ale? Mas mabilis naman ako sa'yo. Hindi ah. Porfirio, who is, ano ba ang mas mabilis sa Ingles?
Faster.
Who is faster?
Let's see who is faster.
That's simple enough. Stand still.
Wow! Ang bilis nga ni Mary Grace. Mary Grace is faster than Rap-Rap.
Okay lang.
Tol, matangkad. Taller, mas matangkad. Fast, mabilis. Faster, mas mabilis.
Mary Grace is faster than Rap-Rap. And Mary Grace is taller than Rap-Rap. But let's see who is lighter.
Who is lighter? Let's find out. Mary Grace is 43 pounds. Okay, it's Rap-Rap's turn. And, Rap-Rap is 47 pounds. Mary Grace is lighter than Rap-Rap.
Okay lang. Mas magaan nga si Mary Grace. Pero, mas malakas naman ako.
Sige nga. Tignan nga natin kung sinong mas malakas.
Tignan natin. Ay, hindi umabot yung kay Mary Grace. Aba! Naniniwala kami sa iyo.
Lakas!
Mas malakas nga si Rap-Rap. Who is stronger, Mary Grace or Rap-Rap? Who is stronger? Tell me, please.
Rap, 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 rap. Rap-Rap is stronger than Mary Grace.
Who is taller, Mary Grace or Rap-Rap? Who is taller? Tell me, please.
Mary Grace, Mary Grace. Mary Grace is taller than Rap-Rap.
Who is faster, Mary Grace or Rap-Rap? Who is faster? Tell me, please.
Mary Grace, Mary Grace. Mary Grace is faster than Rap-Rap. Each one is different, no one is the same, but each one is special, like